What's up, guys? So we finally made it to Leven Canyon. Got a little bit stitched up last week by Google Maps, but it's all good. We're here now. So let's go check this place out. So we've just come from like the lower lookout. It's about a 15-minute walk from the car park, and then maybe an extra 5 minutes if you're filming. And we just came up a set of 687 stairs or something like that, just to get up to the upper lookout. And it says it takes about 15 minutes, but if you're sort of quick on your feet, it'll only take you about 8. And here we are. Oh, it's starting to rain. So I was told by a friend that you can actually walk down to the bottom of the canyon, but I can't find where you meant to actually start the walk. I wandered like all around the car park and there was no actual signs that mentioned where you need to go. So I'm just gonna go, I don't know, I might go just try and find something else to do.
Yeah, in these arms.
That place is called Kart Magic. It's only about a 6-minute drive outside of Latrobe, and man, it is definitely worth checking out. They have different size karts. They've got juniors, seniors, or adults, and then also doubles. And like the doubles are, if you have kids or something like that, you can take them with you. Another classic Google Maps stitch up. We're at another gate. I think I may have found the track. Not entirely sure. There was a sign saying Lobster Falls, but it was only like a tiny little one on a guidepost. And the track is pretty freaking hectic. Like, some decent drop-offs and only quite narrow. And there's also like rocks and roots all through the, like, all over the ground. So yeah, if you're gonna do it, just be extra careful. Yes, we found it. Holy crap, this is so nice here. Check this out.
Differences illuminate past we have run down. Your past for more trouble, mine is simple now. Your fear will be my fire, boy, if you let me pull us through. Don't hide from the lights, turn from the lights, let them guide you.
That was so cold. That was awesome. Yes. What a beautiful place though. Far out. Woo.
And I'll soothe you. Yeah, in these arms.
If you are thinking of checking out Lobster Falls, I would not suggest it unless you're really good on your feet. This has been the most full-on track I've ever walked. Whew. Well worth it though, unreal place. But yeah, it's just a little bit hard to find, as well as the walk is just full on. Ooh. I reckon we're in the adventure there anyway, guys. It's been an awesome day. Had a lot of fun. And if you've enjoyed what you've watched, just drop a like or a comment. And yeah, thank you for watching.